This is the art of building. Magnificent. This is sitting on a 1 acre lot. This is just so wonderful. This is the outdoor. At this level, we are no longer selling homes. At this level, we are turning dreams into reality. Let me take you down to what we call the casita. Here's a second home behind the main home. You can use this as a guest home. You can use this for your Airbnb. You can use this however you want to use it. But it's a second home. Boom! What beauty here. I'm walking into the main house. This 1 acre of land. Look at the houses around. This is just so beautiful.